Let's talk about some of the top tips for day trading cryptocurrencies. And I'll also tell you about some of the tools that you can use to make sure your risk reward ratio is incredible and you actually know how to actually choose the best crypto trading platform. If you are a day trader, day trading cryptocurrencies, which is involving yourself in the buying and selling of digital assets within a single trading day, just to capitalize on those short-term price movements. With this strategy, you'll be able to get a deep understanding of market dynamics, technical analysis, and also a disciplined approach to risk management, because you're under pressure to open and close your positions daily. If you like the kind of content on this channel, hit that like, subscribe, head on over to our main site, check out the links in the description. Let's talk about the top cryptocurrencies for day trading, which is our focus today. So if you want to select the right cryptocurrencies, this is very important for you if you want to do day trading. The key factors that you should consider, which include liquidity, volatility, market capitalization of those cryptocurrencies. So some of the best ones to choose are BTC, of course, which is Bitcoin. This is the first and most widely recognized crypto asset. Bitcoin offers high liquidity, significant daily trading volumes, and the price can experience some substantial intraday fluctuations as well, which will give you that ample opportunity to trade on that price action. So Ethereum comes in number 2, of course, the platform for dApps, smart contracts, and trading, often exhibiting notable price swings too, making it attractive for short-term trading strategies, good for people with a decent base of capital, trading those lesser volatile than other smaller cap coins. But Ethereum, definitely a good one to trade if you're in and out of the markets on a daily. Solana, which is supposed to be a high-speed transaction platform with low fees, gaining popularity among traders, big in the meme coin space as well. The price movements of Solana can be quite volatile at times, presenting you with an opportunity to trade this crypto. Binance BNB coin, the native token of the Binance exchange, BNB, does benefit from the platform's extensive user base and utility. And the price is influenced by Binance's performance and broader market trends, leading to potential opportunities for you to trade that as well. Chainlink at number 5, where you've got a decentralized Oracle service provider with smart contracts in real-world data pooling, and volatility of Link, which is the token there that you'll be trading. Volatile, influenced also by some developments in DeFi, so you can look to that. So that's a good list of top 5 coins that you can actually just do some day trading with. Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can trade Solana, Binance Coin, and Chainlink, right? But you need some effective day trading strategies as well if you want to implement defined strategies that are essential for you to navigate the market in the proper way. There could be multiple approaches to this. Okay, you could do scalping, for example, which is a strategy that involves you making numerous trades throughout the day, profiting from the small price movements. Scalpers often hold positions for just minutes at a time, aiming to accumulate small gains that add up over time. You can also do range trading, where you are identifying key support and resistance levels there to execute trades, and as prices oscillate within this range. And this approach also relies on the assumption that prices will revert at mean, right? So momentum trading is another strategy you can implement, focusing on assets that are exhibiting strong price trends. Traders do enter positions in the direction of the trend, usually aiming to capitalize on that momentum, right? News-based trading, again, if you're really either in a region where you're able to catch the news early, or you've got some mover advantage right there, you can monitor news and market sentiment to make informed decisions. Positive or negative news can significantly impact cryptocurrency prices on a daily basis. So if you're a day trader, this is gold for you, right? But of course, there's risk management and some other considerations that you need to always have, making sure that you're setting up your stop loss orders, defining your clear exit points to limit potential losses, diversifying portfolios as well, and also staying informed, making sure you're tapping in with decentralized news and get the latest and the best in digital assets in the blockchain space. Using technical analysis is also another thing. Employing tools like moving averages, RSI, MACD, you'll be able to just really play a little bit better in the markets with those tools than without them. So day trading cryptocurrencies, something that's a lucrative endeavor. It requires a disciplined approach. Nonetheless, thorough research, a solid understanding of market dynamics, and selecting suitable assets like the ones that we talked about in our top 5, employing effective strategies. Traders are able to then making sure that they can navigate any complex things that come up in the market during the day when they are actively trading, and make sure that they maximize on their profits and reach their financial goals. What is your best crypto to trade on a daily? Which are the best platforms you would want to use or recommend? Let me know down below. Check out the links also to my favorite platforms. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Go to our main site. Check out my book, DeFi Millionaire. DeFi Millionaire tells you about the real applications of decentralized finance as far as getting the best yield, liquidity mining, yield farming. You could be trading on decentralized exchanges, staking. It's a free download. There's no harm. DeFi-millionaire.com. You can also join my mentorship program at deficodes.com. The link is down below, as well as checking out my other books, Tokenized Trillions, Blockchain Applied, if you want to learn about the world of real-world asset tokenization on the blockchain and the different use cases of DLTs or distributed ledger databases across multiple sectors. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Enjoy the boom.